The network port is conveyor's connection way. The method on the left and right sides is the same. 1. Take out the network cable in the accessories box, cut it from the middle, and use it to connect the front and rear conveyor. After cutting, make the line into the following shape, leaving only the orange and blue pairs of lines. 2. The orange pair of lines is connected to the PCB feed signal cables. The blue pair of lines is connected to the PCB request signal cables. 3. You can refer to the signal introduction of conveyor tutorial to learn the conveyor signal. This is an example. 4. It shows the wiring of the front conveyor, where brown and blue are the PCB request signals of the conveyor, and pink and black are the PCB feed signals. You only need to connect the two ends, regardless of polarity, and wrap them with electrical tape, just prevent short circuit. This is the example for the finished wires. 5. Please plug the network port into the signal interface. Now test whether the function is normal or not, then align the track. 6. In the manual test interface, find the front conveyor. There is a PCB at the end of the track, so the PCB feed signal will be triggered, and the color is red. Click the out button with the mouse to force the PCB request signal to be sent, and the track will automatically start to send the PCB. 7. After the PCB leaves the track, the PCB feed signal is not triggered, so color is green. 8. Note: if back conveyor is a 2-wire standard, the front conveyor switch needs to be turned off in the factory settings.